Welcome, viewers. Today, we will be sharing our experience of cruising in Lake Luzerne from Stansted. So, let's go. But before that, please do click on the like button to support us.
Stansted is located right on the shore of Lake Luzerne. The day we went to Stans to visit Stanserholm, and on our way back, we got down at Stansted station and took ferry to Luzerne city.
The walk from the Stansted station to the ferry is about 10 to 15 minutes. But seeing the new place and Swiss beauty, the time flew in a whiff. From Stans station to Stansted station via train is only 3 minutes. It was a sudden plan for us. And while going back to Luzerne city, instead of taking the train, we took the ferry ride. Thus, in a short time, we covered the boat cruise on Lake Luzerne also. If one wishes to visit Stanserhorn, then you can take either of the route. Either from Luzerne take a train to Stans and visit Stanserhorn, or you can take a ferry ride on Lake Luzerne from the ferry station in Luzerne to Stansted. From there, walk to Stansted station, and from there, take a train to Stans. From where you can take again the funicular and the cable car to Stanserhorn.
While on the boat, we felt the sun. Sometimes the rainy dark clouds appeared, and the rays, taking off from the dark clouds, gave a mysterious appearance to the lake. If one has the fifth travel pass, then this lake cruise is free too. While entering Luzerne, from far the city line could be seen. Hope you are liking our videos. So, do stay tuned with 3 tickets and please comment, like and share to support us.